Everything in this community is under her control. She can live for 50 years, longer than any other insect in the world. Meet the termite queen. Her devoted partner, the king, has been at her side throughout her life. He mates with her frequently, but his role is limited to that. It is his gigantic queen who dominates the colony. Her bloated body contains huge ovaries which produce eggs non-stop. She lays one every 3 seconds, 24 hours a day for 25 years, a productivity unmatched in the natural world. All in the colony are her offspring, and all are dependent